Presenting the Perma Child Safety Playpen Barrier. Parts included are 5 barrier panel A's and 1 gate panel B. Adding barrier panels. Align panel A to panel B. First place the corner tube into the top hole. Then, pull the corner tube up and position into the bottom hole. Turn the base knob anti-clockwise to lock panels. Removing barrier panels. Turn base knob clockwise to unlock and pull up on corner tube and slide bottom of tube out from the base. You can now lift and remove the unwanted panel. Underside bracket wall assembly. Parts you will need are corner tube, top underside wall bracket, lower wall bracket and bottom cap. Place top underside bracket and bottom cap into position as shown. Place lower wall bracket over corner tube and follow the previous steps to add panels. Position the panel on wall and mark the screw positions. Disassemble panel and screw in top underside and lower wall brackets. Reassemble panel, corner tube and bottom cap, then lock the base knob. This completes underside bracket wall assembly. Topside bracket wall assembly. Parts you will need are topside wall bracket, lower wall bracket, top cap and corner tube. Place these parts into position as shown. Position the panel on wall and mark the screw positions. Disassemble the panel and screw in the topside and lower wall brackets. Reassemble all the panel parts as shown and lock the base knob. This completes topside bracket wall assembly. Playpen assembly. Align panels A and panel B. Repeat previous steps to add panels, but do not lock at the base knob. Align the hexagon icon to the arrow on the other panel. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until hexagon-shaped playpen is achieved. Turn the base knobs to the locked position. This completes the playpen assembly. Playpen barrier operation. Using one hand, place thumb on button and grip gate with fingers. Slide button and lift the gate, then open gate in either direction. The gate will swing closed when released. To enable Stay Open feature, completely open gate to a 90-degree angle. Example playpen barrier configurations are as shown here. Up to 9 panels can be used in open configurations.